Okay, I hope you can hear me clearly. I'll try and speak very loudly. I'm going to start dismantling this thing. So let's begin with the very first joint here on the arm. And just pull out this wooden pin, and then this arm should come loose. Excellent. Cool. So there we've got, I've just had some things in place to keep everything, well positioned, but I'll quickly remove that. Okay, so here is the first piece, and what I'll do is I'll take it apart even further so that we have three parts, and what I'm going to do is write what part it is. So this is the right arm, so right upper arm and right forearm, and then right hand. Got those three pieces. Let's get the left hand going. At the same time, I'm just going to have to break off some of these sketchy elements that I was putting in there, because they are not going to be part of the structure. That's going to be something that we add in our own time afterwards. So let's just get this glue gun that I put in here. Cool. So there we've got the left arm. So I can write left upper arm. And you'll notice something that I've done with the forearm. I've given the forearm this ability to twist because I want to keep the geometry as simple as possible, but at the same time I want to have the posture and the angle as simple as possible. So it's sort of a way of compromising. And I'm happy with this because there is a good degree of strength, because you've got a dowel stick running through here. And also, like, let's say the final sculpture was in this position, we could then add more dowels and we could add more pieces on top of it to just improve the strength, but we know the integral strength is also there. So there's my left upper arm, left forearm, which also has a bendy piece, and then my left hand. So you'll notice with both forearms I did the twist thing. I didn't really do it with any other body part, which I think is also nice. So that's my left hand. The next one I'll do is the leg. So I'll pull out this pin, and then I'll just get this whole leg to come off. So there. Look, obviously that volume is quite extreme, because obviously he's sitting with his leg muscle being squished by the stone. So potentially this peg might want to move up. But what I think is okay is the fact that we can always add some shin bone in the front and add a kneecap here, and we can always work away some of this if needed. But we know that our strength is there. So here I've got my, which one was this? The right leg and the right foot. I'll show you something else that I've done, and you'll notice that I do similar things throughout the process. That was stupid. Sorry. These wooden pegs expand and contract slightly, and then that always makes it challenging to take things apart. Okay, but I'll stop the video there because